Today I went to visit one of Spalding's best kept secrets, the Vernatt Nature Reserve. It's not the easiest place to find though if you don't know where to look. I accessed it from the riverbank next to the new Johnson Hospital, but you can get in at the other end, opposite St John's Road and near the cemetery. This plot of land was once the site of the sugar beet factory, but the council managed to save it, and with the assistance of a small committee of volunteers, it's been transformed into a natural habitat and a peaceful walk. The new path is even and safe, and it's ideal for disabled access. In the hustle and bustle of today's modern and troubled world, this little space is a breath of fresh air and genuinely gives me inspiration and hope. Now that you know about it, don't tell everyone, but make sure you pay it a visit.